Good day once again to all the members of the Prife Philippines family. Previously, we talked about changing your password. In this episode, we're going to share with you steps on how you could do the maintenance in your account. Here are the steps on how you maintain your account. First, you log into your account at prifevip.com. Log in using your username and password and copy the CAPTCHA number that you see. Click the Sign In button. In the next page, go to the Navigate tab. Scroll down the page and then click on Maintenance. You can either maintain your own account or maintain your downline based on the sponsor hierarchy. In the Member Username field, type in the username of either your account or your downline's account, and then click on Next Step. In the Auto Maintenance field, click on the drop-down menu and choose the options on the period that you want to maintain your account. You can either have 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year. Remember that maintenance is $30 per month. You will be given the option from which wallets you would want to pay for your maintenance, either your register wallet or the bonus wallet, or you can also do both. You enter the security password and then click on Confirm. You will see a notification screen that your purchase is completed successfully. You go back to the home screen and there you will see the countdown on the number of days before your maintenance would expire. Doing the maintenance in your account will make you enjoy the compensation package of Prife International. So don't forget to maintain your account at the back office. Thank you very much for learning with us. And in our next episode, we're going to teach you on how to update your information in the back office. Until our next session, have a great day.